Okay, today we'll see how to create the hair for this character. So in ZBrush, we have fiber mesh. So there you can create a hair and fur. So let us learn today how to do this. Let's start. So in you can go to the light box. You can see there are a lot of tabs. You can see in fiber tabs. You can pick any of this. This is already preset. If you want to create of your own, then we have options here. So you can see there is fiber mesh tools. Right side you can see. Here you can see the preview, and if you click the preview, and you can see the it will create the whole hair on throughout whole surface. But I don't want like this. So you can see the complete. You can see the hair the throughout the head. Okay, but we need to create initially. You need to create the scalp. All right. So for that, you have to create the one another surface on this head. So right now you can this up to you can see this is the head. You can select the head, and using control you can create the mask. You can see I'm just creating the mask. Um, right. So easy. So just I'll create the mask. Create the scalp. Just you can create the roughly. Then later you can modify. So I'll just create like this shape. Okay, nice. So good. Now just I'll make a very small brush and use this. So just making uh, uh, control alt you can pick, and you can subtract also like that you can do. So this is the style I'm going to make backside. Here also you can change the things, and here control alt, and you can make it uh, the shape how do you want. Like that you can here I want to change control alt. So you want to go something going inside or some pattern you want to make, and of course it is fine, and you remove the symmetrical so both side looks same, so you can make some change also difference. So alt control you can move little further inside. Okay, fine. This side is the left side, so I want to make a line here or something. Okay, this looks fine, right? So this is my scalp for the hair. uh, Maybe a little you can change here also. You can tell this will go like this, then it come like this. Fine. You can come here till this and come like this. This is the my style of the scalp or hair will come like this. So I designed like this. So now what is the next step? You have to go to the extract in subtool. You can see the right chest extract is there. And yeah, I don't need any thickness of this. Just I want without thickness make it extract. So you can see newly and you go for accept. So it will generate, and you can see the new table is created now. So now you can see control. Click outside. You can remove the mask. You can see this is your model. So on this, I like to have preview. So select this, and now you can generate the fiber mesh. So where is fiber mesh? This is the fiber mesh. Just give so that you see the preview. Okay, this is fine. So this is your here. And if you like to modify it, will go, and you can see the how much density you need. All those details you can see. Before that, I'll make it gravity zero, so it will stand everything. Okay, right? And length, how much you need? Maybe 400, something like this. You can see this is my the hair length, and tip hair length, root scale and tip scale that also you can plan. So those things also you can plan. So root scale, maybe this is root scale maybe 0.7, and tip scale make it 0.1. So tip will be means top. Okay, that will be very thin, almost fading. And root you can according to your requirement you can give I think 0.7 is fine. So length you decide. This the density if you want more or less that you can increase this one. It will be more or less that you can see here. Right. So that's all. Okay. So this is generated. Now once it is done, so then you can accept. Okay, so once it is accept, then it will be created. Otherwise, till that you can see the preview only. Okay, so let's just click accept. Now it will ask me, okay, yes, you press. Okay, fine. Now it is done. Okay, so this is the hair density. I think it's very nice density. Is there? No issues. Okay, then let's create the next. Okay, so for that you have to make side hair. You want to make short and middle hair. You want to make more length. So in that case, what you can do? Hold Control Shift. Okay, hold Control Shift and you can select the side and back. So this area will become small here. So this you can make it from different subtool layer. So right now you can see subtool we have only here. You can have separate. With this you can split it. So you can have under split. You can have split hidden. So which is hidden. You can have another layer. So now you can see this is one layer. This is another layer. Right. So this is another layer. It is another layer. So you can see separate layer you have, right. So hope you understood how to make separate layer using the. So you can select that and you can. So now, how to make this one small? Okay. Let me see. So using set, you can smooth it. Okay. Like this. Use symmetrical. Press X so both side will happen. So hold shift. So you can see everything becomes out now. Um, so just you press shift and smooth it. It is just smoothing. I think we are making certain hair. So fine. So you can see other one. Uh, so this is your middle part. So here's how you see how it looks now. So some hairs it's not getting, so you have to select correctly. You can select like this, and so this will not affect because that is another software. Okay. So it is done. So this small is done. So now we'll enable this also. Sometime. So you can do it. You can see and how it looks. You can see. So you can hide also that scalp layer also is not necessary because this is enough. Okay. So now you can see this is very small here you have, and you can see, and you have right now up middle. Okay, that is bigger one. So how to design all those things? So maybe if you want to make small here little bigger, it almost disappeared. So use the move tool, right? So you can go for the interface layout. You'll have this move tool you can see here, right? Or you can click here and you can select the move also fine. Okay, you click the move and press S to reduce the size. Just a mild move with and give the direction at the same time. So that hair will generate very small touch you should give. So and give the direction at the same time. So if it's going direction like this and move this way, so that hair will go that two direction. So like that, small touch. Don't give too much pulling, then it will become again big. You can see. Okay. So just mild touch and to have very 1 mm something that feel you should give like because it is completely disappeared. So using shifted, then you have to again you have to bring back to some length, right? So this is fine, right? So this the direction is very important. How you are giving the direction is very important. So this is back side. It's going like this, fine. And here you can see a very small touch. Okay, fine. So very easy if you know the concept. Okay, very mild touch you should give. Don't give too much. Very hard. Very light touch if you give, then hair will generate. So better make it bigger. So it will one template will finish. Make a little bigger. So one template will finish. Okay, fine. So just given the direction and so nicely it is done. You can see. Okay. So now you can select the another subtool layer. So that is this one. I think this one. Right. So we can make it very big and give the direction. So maybe or you can move that way. So let us move like this and make the move a little arch. Give some curvature. I'll go in that way. Like that, I'm pushing all the hair that direction. Even you can make more length or small that you can decide. Okay. Uh, that way you can also plan. So before creating, you can give more divisions. I will show you the when you go to the fire mesh. Where is the fire mesh? This one. So you have modifier options. You can see the segments. You can play also right now. Segments will less. You can increase also. You'll have more the control points to make the shape. So like that, you can plan before creating, and you give the colors also as possible. The base color and deep color is there. So you should do before generating. Before giving accept, you should generate all those things. So like that, just making the shape. Oh, I'm just making this going all the hair coming to this way. The combing uh, to left to right, left to right. So that style of the hair you can design according to that. So this one, you don't need this area. So you can again I say shift. You can cut at this using shift also. You can remove these things. Okay. So with that you can change the things. Fine. You can make it small. Okay, fine. Like that, and change the direction. So give shift, it will become small. Right. Okay, fine. Here also you can make shift this edge area. So edge will be small. It will be either nice that like okay. So you understand? It's fine. So now again I'll select this move tool again use and make it like this. So make it this downwards direction. Yes. So we have nice structure now. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. So we have other tools like you press Z. So we have groom brush and groom blower is there. Yes, you can try how it behaves. Okay, but if you possible decide and then see how it is running. So you can make some blower type or some changes. Okay, so like that it will be like a forfeit type will come. Okay, so that you decide if you need. Okay, otherwise I'll leave that. So move tool is fine. Okay, and particular here you want to make like you want to make um, using mask, say control and mask this part. Okay, so this here is selected nicely. Okay, and make it controlled uh, mask it and make it control W, so it will become on group. All right, you can see the wireframe mode. You can make different color. You can see made on group. So what if now when you select control shift select that will be selected on other things will be there. So that way you can make it this one you can control nicely. You want to move this way or that way that you can decide. And This is another advantage I can say, right? So move this, and you can see, and you want to make this one a pinch. You can use also just type P and pinch. You can see, and you can make it thin, taper in this area. So like that, you can plan, and even also you can use also we have other brushes like SG. We have groom clumps. You can make it clumps also. You can make it like all together. You can make it one clumps like this. Okay. So these are the options are there. If you want, you can use or you can leave it. Okay. Just it again, smooth it. Okay. And again, you want to move and make bigger. You can make it bigger. So anytime you can move and scale. So if you want to see other things, just control click and control shift click, and you can see this is separate here. Right. So like that, you can change the things and your style, all those things if necessary. Okay. So so like that, again, you want to give some blue air. Okay. So you can give groom blue air. So you can just click this and nicely puffy things you can see here. Right. So you can make your hairstyle accordingly. Right. Yes. And I want to make it a little more lengthy, and I want to donate to the till this. You can have this, this not a yes, this front hair. You can make it like this. Like that, I can change your hairstyle. Right. Yes. Yes. So now I can say nice hairstyle. You got it. Okay. So this is the way you can make a hairstyle. And if you want to render this, you can go to the render properties, and I can just go to render properties and details. You can find, and you want to make like ambient occlusion on and fibers on. Then render other properties like the best you can give, and just click this, and you can see the render output. Right. So render is happening. You can see. So then overall how it looks, you can see right now. So now you can see very nice smooth hair. You can feel. You can see, and instead of everything is there. So like that, you can make your hairstyle. Okay, and you want to see this side how it looks. Okay, all those things. So you can make it this way and make it. Just click the VPR, and you can see the render of the hair. It'll become very smooth, right? And you want to increase the quality also in here. Also, you can change some options here. Let it finish that. So that you can see this is the render quality. I want to see here in Fire Mesh. We have option is Fire Mesh. You can see also. Just open that, and we have option in the here you can include the subdivision also. So in render you'll have more smoother version, so you can include the subdivision, you'll have more smooth hair, right? Mhm. So let us check how it is coming. Okay. We'll get more smooth compared to before. It will increase the subdivision. It will take time for rendering, but we'll get very good output. So again, 5. Now you can see very nice output. You can see. So that's what. Hope you understood how to get the hair in Zbrush. So you can keep trying. If you have any issues, text. You can put the message on the comments. Thank you.